Let's for 1 or 2 minutes talk about what we have done for the people of Abia State. Anybody who have been to Abia State or who hasn't even been to Abia State, Aba, for example, will come to mind. And is a major business hub, not only in Abia State or the Southeast or even in Nigeria, but on the African continent. But experts have come out to say one of the major problems is lack of proper corporate governance, lack of partnerships, poor infrastructure, multiple taxation, and accusing fingers have come to your desk to say, you have not really done perhaps enough, according to those who are criticizing, for Aba to live up to the expectation or the capacity that it could or potential that it has.
Oh, well, they are entitled to their opinion, but I don't think they are right because some of them are largely ignorant. Some of them have not been to Aba for quite some time, and they don't even understand the economy of Aba. Or not even the geography. They don't even understand that, but they don't know the problems. And anybody who says that Aba is not working, today in Aba you have Domino's, you have Chicken Republic, you have Marketplace, you have everything in Aba today. You even have a cinema in Aba. So you cannot see Aba unless you bend down. And Abia State has keyed into the basic health insurance for pregnant women. If you put to bed in any of our primary health care centers, you get 500 naira free. They give you, delivery is free, they give you a delivery pack, and they give you 500 naira.
Your Excellency, let me quickly clarify this. You say that when pregnant women give birth in your facilities, they get 500 naira. Is that correct?
500 naira, yes. Yes, and the backpack.
What is the 500 naira for, sir?
Free delivery. They give you 500 naira to it could be for anything. Are you asking a poor woman what she will do with 500 naira? Some people don't have it. Yes.